If you're wondering if Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 is good for a carpet cleaning, first of all, if you select the robot right here in the app that we've connected it with, we can go to the three dots, and sadly there's no strict option for a carpet mode. Although there's device leveling, which allows you to level a height for your robot, and you can use that if you want. You can also enable a turbo mode for the when in case that there's a room with a carpet. That should help greatly as well. And this device doesn't have the two side rotary brushes. Instead, it has one side rotary brush and one main brush in the middle, which works much better for a carpet. So this device doesn't have the strict carpet mode like on other robot devices, but in this case I think it should work pretty good. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.